Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming device compatibility and freeing storage. Make sure Android 7, 0 or higher and at least 2 GB free. You install Zfont APK next, granting install unknown apps when prompted, because Android blocks third-party packages by default. Once done, open Zfont and tap Emoji iOS, then select the emoji pack you downloaded. You press Install, choose System or Magisk method based on root status, and follow on-screen prompts. This begins the replacement process. Now you decide the installation path. System method works for non-rooted devices but needs a compatible font installer or theme support, while Magisk is cleaner if rooted. You follow Zfont's prompts, install font, grant permissions, then reboot, because changes apply only after a restart. Make sure to apply the new font in settings or a theme app if required, otherwise emojis won't show. Once completed, test emojis in messages and notes to confirm the iOS glyphs display correctly. To finish, reboot your device 1 or 2 more times to ensure the system loads the new font across apps. Some launchers cache glyphs. If you see missing characters or broken keyboards, restore your backup and retry the alternative install method, because different vendors restrict font changes. Make sure to clear app cache for messaging apps and reapply Zfont after major Android updates, as updates can overwrite fonts. If problems persist, switch to Magisk or seek a compatible iOS emoji package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.